Today, I am reviewing Suevery Ryzen 5 5500 Prebuilt Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, we're reviewing the Suevery Prebuilt Gaming PC, a compact powerhouse designed to deliver smooth performance for home, office, and casual gaming. At the heart of this tower lies the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 processor, a 6-core, 12-thread CPU that can turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz. This gives you the processing power you need for multitasking, whether it's running office applications, streaming 4K videos, or handling multiple browser tabs simultaneously. For productivity or everyday use, this PC ensures a lag-free experience, making it ideal for students, professionals, and casual gamers alike. On the graphics side, the system comes equipped with the Nvidia RX 6500 XT graphics card with 4GB of VRAM. This dedicated GPU allows for smooth gameplay in popular games at medium settings and supports creative tasks such as light photo and video editing. While it's not designed for ultra-high-end gaming or professional rendering, it perfectly suits budget-conscious users looking for a reliable gaming setup without breaking the bank. Memory and storage are crucial for performance, and this PC doesn't disappoint. With 16GB of DDR4 RAM running in dual-channel mode, multitasking becomes seamless and applications respond quickly. Storage is handled by a 512GB NVMe SSD, which significantly improves boot times, application loading, and file transfers. You'll notice your operating system and programs launch in seconds, while game load times are drastically reduced compared to traditional hard drives. One of the standout features of this system is its cooling and design. The Suevery Tower features a tempered glass panel and 5 RGB fans, creating a mesmerizing light show that's perfect for those who want a visually appealing desktop setup. The advanced airflow design ensures that the components remain cool even under sustained workloads or extended gaming sessions. This makes it a great option for both high-performance tasks and keeping your workspace looking sleek and modern. Connectivity and expansion are well thought out, with multiple USB ports, HDMI output, and support for Wi-Fi 6, allowing fast and stable wireless networking. Whether you're attending virtual meetings, streaming content, or connecting peripherals like keyboards, mice, and external drives, this system provides convenient and reliable connectivity. Beyond gaming and office productivity, this pre-built PC is versatile enough for home entertainment, remote learning, point-of-sale systems, and light industrial use. Its tower design and plug-and-play configuration make it easy to set up and start using immediately, which is a significant advantage for those who don't want to deal with assembling components. To summarize, the Suevery Ryzen 5 5500 pre-built gaming PC strikes a perfect balance between performance, affordability, and style. Its combination of a capable Ryzen 5 processor, dedicated RX 6500 XT GPU, 16GB DDR4 memory, and ultra-fast NVMe SSD ensures smooth performance across a wide range of applications. The visually striking RGB fans and tempered glass panel add a touch of style to your setup, while the advanced cooling keeps your system running efficiently. If you're looking for a budget-friendly gaming and productivity PC that's ready to use right out of the box, this Suevery pre-built desktop is definitely worth considering. From casual gaming to home office tasks and multimedia consumption, it's a versatile, reliable, and stylish option that meets the needs of most users today.